Crash Machinery. When Jason was at the table, I kept on seeing him look at me while he was with that other girl. Do you think he was just doing that to make me jealous? Because he was totally what do you think? Did you think the girl was pretty? How did the girl even get in here? Do you see her? She's so short and that dress is so...
Are you okay?
It's not even summer. Why is it all about that?
Oh.
Sugar! This guy just lost his load. Oh no. Hang on. He just realised he just lost all of his conjure.
Into a belt. After an exchange of sour bugle calls with the leader, it padded the leash, which then stretched like taffy, becoming quite 20 feet long and much more slender.
Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Oh shit, shit!
To the bloke on 40,000. I heard him say there's I beg your pardon? I beg your pardon. You mean to say that you're boasting about a tax system where a bloke who earns 5 times as much as the bloke on 40,000?
Oh shit.
These trailers doing massive fucking... Oh, his trailer's come off! Ah! His trailer's come off! Luckily he's taken the people exit because his trailer's taken the exit! Oh, this is hilarious!
Live and the western east, the perfect fine weather and the fish bite.
search NAB business. NAB, more than money.
We make a lot of moves each day, so
You
imagine if
fucking
every single one of them
God.
could be in support of people living with cerebral palsy. September is back. Register now at september.org.au.
Harvey Norman Clearance Centres now open. 2 only. Dandenong and Rich.
An operated power generator, unless you can cover all of our demands, all that will occur is the other privately owned generators will withdraw their supply and we'll be left short. And if we're left short, that means we'll have blackouts.
Mainly answered some of the songs that I have are on there.
Oh, it's gonna go, it's gonna go, it's gonna go, it's gone! Oh, what a night. Get some free Coronas. Oh no!
I've got to send you my dashcam footage right now. This dude's got a mattress standing upright in his trailer and it's flopping about. This thing's going to go flying. I don't even think he's aware. Like, he's tied it down with, it looks like rope that you would tie around a hay. Oh, the rope just broke. There goes the mattress!
In the golfing tournament is the frequent deterioration of the performance of the golfers who were successful on day one. The best explanation of it is that those golfers were unusually lucky that day.
Ejectocito, come!